It may come as some surprise, but I miss you. I could see through all of your lies, but I still miss you. He takes her love, but it doesn't feel like mine. He tastes her kiss. Her kisses are not wine, they're not mine. He takes, but surely she can get what I'm feeling now. She takes, but surely she doesn't know how. Is it a crime? Is it a crime that I still want you, and I want you to want me too? My love is wider, wider than Victoria Lake. My love is taller, taller than the Empire State. It dives and it jumps and it ripples like the deepest ocean. I can't give you more than that. Surely you want me back. Is it a crime? Is it a crime that I still want you, and I want you to want me too?
Une chanson de Shadé à l'origine, Is It a Crime, un très très bon morceau, moi j'aime beaucoup. Et l'artiste, eh bien, l'artiste qui a repris ce morceau, bien évidemment, de Shadé, cet artiste Rigmor Gustafsson avec Is It a Crime. Et juste avant, il y avait un trio, je vous le rappelle, Jessica Pilnias avec Johan Norberg et Dan Berglund avec Hurry. Et puis maintenant, on va parler de Nils Landgren. Alors, il n'y a pas grand-chose à dire dessus. Pourquoi ? Eh bien, tout simplement parce que sur son site internet, j'ai été voir, j'y suis d'ailleurs actuellement, sur son site internet, il y a une phrase, une simple phrase, et après, c'est tous les albums qu'il a sortis depuis 1987 jusqu'à 2010. Donc, la seule chose que je sais sur lui, c'est qu'il s'appelle Nils Landgren, qu'il est né le 15 février 1956 à Degerford et que c'est un tromboniste suédois. Que vous dire sur lui à part ça? Eh bien, qu'il a 57 ans, qu'il a eu 57 ans, qu'il fait du jazz, jazz fusion et jazz funk, et qu'il a un site, donc je vous le donne, www.nilslandgren, tout s'attaché, hein, www.nilslandgren.com, pardon, www.nilslandgren.com. Voilà, et vous dire également que ces albums, en 87, il y a eu Chapter 1, Chapter 2, numéro 1 et 2. Follow Your Heart en 90, il y a eu Pendle Blues en 1996. Si je passe quelques albums, il y a 5000 Miles avec Funk Unit en 1999, Ballads en 1999, et puis le dernier album, les deux derniers albums, c'est en 2007, License to Funk avec Funk Unit, et puis 2010, Funk for Life avec Funk Unit également. Et le morceau que l'on a écouté de Nils Sandgren, je vous le donne quand même, que l'on va écouter, pardon, excusez-moi, il s'appelle Killing Me Softly. Oui, je sais, ça vous dit quelque chose. Une excellente soirée à tous et à toutes dans le Jazz à Musique sur Radio Val-Pyrénéos. On y va.
Jazz à musique.
He sang a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Flushed with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Jazz à musique.
We hear you leaving, that's okay. I thought our little wild time had just begun. I guess you kind of scared yourself, you turn and run. But if you have a change of heart, Ricky, don't lose that number. You don't wanna call nobody else. Send it off in a letter to yourself. Ricky, don't lose that number. It's the only one you own. You might use it if you feel better when you get home. I have a friend in town, he's heard your name. We could go out driving on slow hand road, or we could stay inside and play games, I don't know. And you might have a change of heart. So Ricky, don't lose that number. You don't wanna call nobody else. Send it off in a letter to yourself. Ricky, don't lose that number. It's the only one you own. You might use it if you feel better when you get home. Tell yourself you're not my kind, but you don't even know your mind. You might have a change of heart. Ricky, don't lose that number. You don't wanna call nobody else. Send it off in a letter to yourself. Ricky, don't lose that number. It's the only one you own. And you might use it if you feel better when you get home.
Little baby, we've had issues lately, but I've heard that all before. And in times when you're all burned out, don't want no more, a little free time is all it needs to calm it down. A pretty baby, don't get so worked up, 'cause man and woman weren't made for that. Yes, all I need is you, and you need is me. So don't worry, baby, about those rumors you heard. Oh no, I ain't talking about parting.
No, no,
Don't be broken hearted.
no, no.
No more misunderstandings this time. It's not the end of the line. 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 Come on, baby, stop the thinking for now. There's no need to be sad. All your friends who've told you I was cheating on you made up lies cause they don't like me for who I am. Start it over with a little more respect, and we'll make it in the end. Cause all I need